Hello everyone, welcome to Java Tutorials. My name is Kishore. In this video, we will discuss about methods. What are methods? Methods are set of instructions which are reusable, which you can call from another method. There are two types of methods you can write inside a class. One is a static method and one more is non-static method. Non-static methods are also called as instance methods. In our previous videos, we have discussed few methods, but let us discuss in detail what are these static methods and non-static methods, how to call them. For that, I am taking one class called calculator. Let me write one method by following this syntax. The syntax is return type, then method name, followed by the arguments. And in between the flower brackets, you should write the logics that you want to reuse from another method. Let me write first non-static method with a return type called void, and I will use the method name as add int x and int y. This void return type means you are not returning any value from add. The caller will not get any value from the add method. Let me calculate the result by writing x plus y and store that value in the result, and we will print that result in the add method itself like this. And in order to call the add method from other methods, first we need to create the object of this calculator class because it is a non-static method or an instance method. Let's do that from the main method. I will create one object of calculator like this. Calc equals new calculator. Then I will call the add method by passing two arguments like 20 and 30. If I run the program, I will see result equals to 50. But what you need to observe is the return type. Can I have any other return types? Of course, you can have other return types like a lot of data types which you have in Java, like int, float, double, even non-primitive data types also you can have. Let me keep int as the return type. The moment I keep int, compiler raises an error because add method has to have a return statement that returns a value. What I will do is I will return a value. Let me comment this print statement because I don't want to print. Instead, I want to return the result. You might ask, why did I comment this print statement? Remember, whenever you create a method, your objective is not just to print the result. Your objective could be to return the result so that the caller can use that result to do some other tasks. Now, whoever calls the add method, they would get the result of the add method. That is going to be the main method. Now, what main method should do is it has to accept that result by using int r equals calc.add. This r is going to get the value what add method returns. That is going to be 20 plus 30. 50 will be stored in r. Now this main method, which is getting the value from the calculator add method, can use this value to do some other job, or it can print this value. What are the other jobs it can do? Probably it can calculate this r is an odd number or even number by writing an if condition with modulus 2 equals to 0, or it can pass this value to some other method. All these things a main method can do. But here we will only print the value of result like this so that we will understand that the main method who is a caller got the value and it is printing the value. If I run the program, I would see still the same result 50. But there is another type of method you can write, that is a static method. Let me write one static method like static int subtract int x comma int y. Then I write result equals x minus y and return the result. Now, what is the difference between add and subtract is add method you need to call by creating the object, whereas you can call the subtract method without creating the object directly from the class name. That is like this. If I write int s equals calculator class dot subtract method, let me pass 30 and 20, and I will print result of subtraction equals If I run the program, I would see result of subtraction 10. So it means you can create two types of methods in class. One is non-static method and another is static method. It all depends what kind of methods you need to create. Probably going forward, you will understand when to use static methods and when to use non-static methods. Just to give you one hint, I will use non-static methods whenever I want to access instance variables of a class. And whenever I want to access static variables, I will always use the static methods. So that is it about the methods. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.